Hey, what's up guys? So today I wanted to show you the drone that I got, the 525, and I'll open it with y'all. I've played around with it a little bit, so it comes with the instruction manual, the quick start. Make sure you read these. This is a very basic drone, but it's always good to know the basics. It comes with 2 batteries that you'll receive. You can just take the power cord that was just plugged in. You can go ahead and plug it in when it needs to be charged and plug it into the wall. So that's really easy to plug in. What I really like is the drone is nice and compact. It's easy to set up just like this, and it's ready to go. You just make sure everything's open and you set it out. One thing that I also really like is it comes with these protectors. So if you're just beginning and you've never flown a drone before, I highly recommend that you put these protectors on so that your blades will stay safe, right? So if it hits a wall or a tree or anything, they stay nice and safe that way. So that's really nice. It does come with extra blades if you do happen to ruin them. It comes with 4 extra ones just in case, and then also the necessary screws as well. So that's really nice that it comes with extra stuff. And then the remote control, which is really nice. It's really user-friendly. You can slide this up and put your phone right there. There's an app that you can actually download to see, because there is a camera in the front that you can adjust as well. So that is really nice. These are really nice. They're user-friendly. They move really nicely, so you can go kind of slow that way. They have triggers on the top, which is really nice, and then batteries in the back. So this is a great beginner drone that I found. It also does come with its own tools as well if you need that.